Hello everyone, it's Hanny with another flip through. I made a new journal and it's for sale in my Etsy shop because I love to make journals and I have, well, I don't have to use them all and I love to make ephemera and all kinds of stuff. So, well, this is a journal. It's chipboard covered with fabric and well, this is paper. It's a collage of paper and some ribbon and metal book plates and the metal, well, sort of closure with ribbon on it, and here are book plates. So I'm going to do a little flip through. It's made of all kinds of papers, coffee and lace dyed papers, old book papers, wallpapers, tracing papers, handmade paper, I think. I'm not sure if that, yeah, there's handmade paper in it. Well, all kinds of junk, but well, second-hand paper. I did not use printables. It's all original, except for a few tickets I include. Those tickets are not, well, this is a stamp and with a watercolor, and these are printables, I think, from someone. I can't remember from who. I bought them years ago, so I think these are the only printables. And well, everything is original from books and original painted papers and book papers. Well, what I said. The binding is oh, somebody told me how it was called, but I don't remember. I'm sorry. But it's well, a twine binding, and it's, well, it's loose. It doesn't stick to the cover, so you can pull them out. If you have, yeah, you can pull them out, all papers, so you can do something else in it if you want to, or throw papers away you don't like, or whatever, or put papers in you especially like. Well, whatever. Here is a pocket that's glued in. Well, I will get a little tag. So it's a pocket, you see, with lace dyed paper with coffee. Here's a little envelope, a folks stamp. Oh yeah, some lace, here cluster, some lace, old book papers. Here's a book corner, a page corner, not a book corner. It's double-sided, you see, with a little tag in it. You just can put them over the corner of a page and you can stick something underneath it, like so. So that's a book page. I'm getting it off because I have more embellishments going with the journal, and they are, well, not in the journal. Here is a belly band from lace, made from lace. This is wallpaper, book papers, some washi tape, little pieces you can write on. A pocket, another pocket, belly band, another pocket, tea-dyed papers, another belly band with folks tickets. here is a sort of cluster. Cluster. This is wallpaper. Old German book papers. Here's a little envelope. No, it's only the envelope. It's no pocket. Here's a pocket with a cluster on it. Coffee dyed papers. Wallpaper again. Here's a double pocket. You see, here and here. And here's a cluster. Another belly band on wallpaper. Here's another pocket. Another book corner, page corner. Handmade paper. An envelope. Where's, oh, there's the other side. This is trace grid paper. That was an envelope. You can put something in there. I glued some labels in. Another pocket. And another envelope. Yeah, no, just the envelope. Well, that's a journal. And I include lots of ephemera and some, no, not ephemera, yeah, some, but embellishments. I will show them to you. This is the, so I have a lot of journaling cards, little ones, and you can write on the back. All kinds of journaling cards. Small ones, little ones, that's the same. Long ones. Here is a with a dried flower between. A journaling card from a snippet. Another journaling card. Here is one. Here is one. And here is one with a butterfly, napkin, butterfly. A specimen card. There are more than 65. Well, between 60 and 70, 75, I'm not sure, but embellishments. Those are the, and here are some tags. Some little tags, small tags. And the tag with a little pocket in it. Pockets. These are with some tickets in it. So I didn't do the back because they are pockets. And here is a pocket. And this is a pocket. And here's a corner pocket, a double one. The two page corners. A little envelope. Some booklets. A paperclip. A card from a book. Old postcard. It's not an original card. It's a card from a book. Some folks tickets. And here are some tickets and all kinds of cards, playing cards. With all kinds of thingies on it. Old cards. So, that's it. that's the whole package. I love making them. I will make more journals. And well, I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.